Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and today is hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesdays, an open collab hosted by our friends Marianne at Marianne's Craft Corner and Judith at Gigiscoolcreations. So today is Ash Wednesday, and I'm spending a lot of time in my craft room since I've been in quarantine and haven't been able to go anywhere. And so I've been thinking about what I wanted to make for hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday. And I thought, you know, it's going to be Ash Wednesday. So I want to pull out this stamp set. This is Paper Pumpkin, August 2021, and it's called the Hope Box. And you can see the stamps that there are on the back. Always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Just a note of hope. Where there is faith, miracles happen. The word hope, and a couple of other stamps there. So I thought, you know, that's appropriate for today, Ash Wednesday, and let me see what I can do with them. So I decided first to stamp out some of these butterflies. So let me show you one of them. So I stamped them out. I colored them all the same with 3 different colors of markers, or actually 4 with the blue, and then I added in just some of the white around the edges like that. And then I stamped this out where there is faith, miracles happen, and then cut out that little end there to make it a little banner, and then just die cut out this paper, put them both up on a little bit of foam, and then added some of the dimensional magic on there to give it a little bit of gloss, and that was it. So I just made 6 of those. The only difference on these is I just used a different paper. So I wanted to use that blue to bring out that blue that I had used on the butterflies. You know, I wanted to use this Always Hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. And you can see that that's maybe about 2 inches or so. And so I thought, okay, I'm going to need a circle die for that. And so I got out this big circle die, and I just went ahead and stamped them in black. And then I used some of this Easter paper that looks like this, and then just some other purple, you know, purple color of Easter. And so I just made a few of these, and then I decided to go ahead and add on some trim, some of the pom-pom trim. So I'm still working on these over here to add pom-pom trim to these, but the purple ones, I put some white pom-pom trim on, and then I found this really pretty, I don't know where I got this from or who gave this to me, gave me this really pretty kind of lacy purple trim, and so I did add a couple of little flat backs right there. So these can be used as an embellishment or added to a bag topper or something, I guess. I'm just going to finish up those. And then I had pulled out this ribbon. Gloria at Gloria's Hauls, Crafts, and More had gifted me with this trim. I haven't used it on anything yet, and it's just a fun spring trim. If I used it on this, it was hiding too much of this color right here, so I thought, no, I don't want to use that. So I'm going to find a fun spring project, Gloria, that I can use this really cool trim on. So I'm going to leave that out, so I make sure to use that. So there you go, guys. That's what I made for this week's hashtag Embellish with Us Wednesday. I am loving all of the embellishments that you guys are making. Thank you so much for the inspiration. Thank you, Judith and Marianne, for having this awesome collab. And the Lenten season has begun. Just know that I will be praying for all of you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.